Hey guys, welcome to week 4. We're playing with water this week. Getting warm outside. You ever thought of a sprinkler? What about one that will flow 2,000 gallons of water per minute? Does that sound fun? It does. Later, you'll see somebody walk right through it. Take the Deluge gun off of engine 30, set it down on the ground with a ground mount. Flow a little bit of water out that. Typically, you can flow that way anywhere from 500 to 2,000 gallons a minute, just according to your setup. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember, if you like what you see, you don't want to miss an episode, click the subscribe button. We'll keep them coming. Alright guys, I'm going to do all three at the same time. Alright, so the chutes are first going to open. We got Maggie, she's video on the other side, of course. The chutes are going to open. Alright, I'm going to get in close so you can see on this one. The valve's in there at the bottom. Alright, back's open, she's got that side. You're going to get split, open up. There we go guys, all three. There's water. All this can be done inside the truck. On the other side, all the wheels. Here is a demonstration of the water shuttle switches to be able to dump the truck while inside the vehicle and not get out. They would have a drop tank set up. You would pull up, you would turn power on to the dumps. You have one located on the driver's side, the rear of the truck, and also the passenger, or also called the officer side of the truck. They all have a chute. You have to extend the chute first, which means it just pushes out further instead of dumping directly beside the truck to reach the tank. Then you have an actual valve that you would open up, and then the water would flow.